Eleco is a cash-generative provider of building technology solutions to the architectural, construction, and engineering and operations sectors. Our Power Project software has won Project Management Software of the Year 7 years in a row and is used on projects such as the Shard, the British Museum, and the Bosphorus Bridge, to name but a few. We have around 250 employees, based mainly in the UK, Nordics, and Germany, and we've got offices in North America, Netherlands, and Australia.
Cash generation was a focus during the uncertain period, and we had improved our net cash position from £1.1 million at the end of 2019 to £6.1 million at the end of 2020. We demonstrated great resilience during the pandemic, with consistent year-on-year revenues of £25.2 million, and we increased our maintenance, support and subscription revenue, which now accounts for 56% of our total revenue. Importantly, we improved our profit before tax, which is up 12%, and this really puts us in a strong position from which to implement our new strategy and grow the business. In a year of uncertain times, we had retained and expanded our customer base and delivered a resilient performance, thanks to the dedication and commitment of our employees who had kept calm and carried on whilst working from home. We also continued to invest in software development with the release of a number of new and trending features, as well as minimum viable products of our next generation solutions. And I'm very proud to say that we won Project Management Software of the Year for the 7th consecutive year at the UK Construction Computing Awards.
The outlook for the construction and built environment sector is looking very positive at the moment, with a sustained recovery anticipated over the coming years, as reported in a number of reports. We're also finding a situation where, both due to COVID and to the number of things happening in construction like resource shortages and material costs rising, that the adoption of technology is really increasing. Historically, construction didn't adopt technology too much, but the building technology sector overall is expanding quite dramatically. And the margins for those customers are squeezing, so it's even more critical now for our customers and potential customers to start adopting. So together, these developments create a really big opportunity for Eleco.
In the last quarter of 2020, the board carried out a strategic review, which is focused on positioning our business in the best possible way to accelerate our organic growth over the next 3 to 5 years. We undertook a detailed assessment of the market and the challenges and opportunities being experienced by our customers. Our platform comprises of best-of-breed solutions, fantastic customer relationships, and an engaged and talented workforce. And to capitalise on this position, we aim to accelerate our growth by focusing on what we do well and what will deliver the greatest return. Therefore, we're simplifying our definition of our product portfolio to focus on our best-of-breed world-class solutions. We will organise our business so that our sales and marketing functions are built around customer segments, with an amplified focus on identifying and validating our customers' current and future needs. We intend to leverage our customer insights and knowledge to build our next generation customer solutions through a combination of continued in-house R&D, strategic partnerships, and M&A. This vision is aligned with industry drivers and the real core of what our customers need to drive better decision making.
If you're looking for a resilient and growing technology company with a blue chip customer base in an industry that really is under pressure to accelerate the adoption of technology, then that's Eleco. We're operating in a rapidly growing environment. The markets we serve are experiencing accelerated adoption of the technology due to the pandemic, those rising material costs and increased regulation. So the market at the moment for Eleco's best of breed products is circa 8 billion, with an 8 to 15 CAGR. Our e-sign and active online visualization businesses are key players in a 450 million market. We have defined a growth strategy that's now in place. We've got a clear focus on a secure and high value customer base, in addition to markets outside those we currently count as our core. And we've got an accelerated organic strategy, and we've got an M&A strategy as well. And that strategy has been informed by the market and by our customers. And we've got an excellent team in place with the right experience to create that shareholder value that you'll be looking for. And I think finally, we've got a strong, resilient, cash generative platform from which to grow. An array of best-of-breed products which create certainty for our customers when they need that most. And we now have the right go-to strategy in place to create the shareholder value.